Today we've got a 2017 Nissan Rogue that had to be towed in. Customer says the vehicle won't move at all. Classic Nissan CVT problem. We pulled codes and instantly found two big ones. P0841, transmission fluid pressure sensor, GR switch, a performance. P17F0, CVT judder, GR belt slip detected. When you see P17F0 on a Nissan CVT, yeah, it's done. We checked the CVT fluid and it is dark. This CVT is cooked from the inside out. No movement is exactly what you'd expect at this point. For anyone with a Rogue, Altima, Sentra, once the CVT starts setting pressure codes and belt slip codes together, the transmission is on its way out. No amount of fluid changes or magic additives will save it. This one needs a complete transmission replacement. Pressure control is gone, the belt is slipping, and the internals are contaminated.
Grease Tech here. Hit like and follow video service information for more breakdowns and mechanical carnage.